Hey guys, it's your girl London and I am back with another video. What's up y'all? I missed y'all. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for you guys. I'm super excited. Like I'm on 10 right now because y'all already know the first foundation that I purchased from NARS was not all that. But the second time I did it was actually kind of cute. But today I got my right foundation, y'all. So I took a class, I took a little NARS Zoom class, and I got my right foundation shipped to me. So I'm so excited to share this journey with you guys of how this makeup is gonna look, how it's gonna melt my skin. I just can't wait for y'all to see it. So like always on my channel, we are gonna be starting off with a positive affirmation. And the one I chose for you guys today is nothing is impossible. The word itself says I'm possible. And I just feel like this really just hit me so deep. Like just think about it. All the people that told you you couldn't do this and you couldn't do that. And it's like, you doing it. You doing it. Just don't underestimate yourself. Don't. That is so huge. And a lot of people mindset nowadays, like, oh, they just, you know, so quick to say, I can't do it. And it's just like, but did you try? Just because you in your mind don't think you could do it doesn't mean that you can't do it. Like, I didn't know how to sew. I said, oh, I can't fit any of these clothes. They're not fitting me correctly. So I want to learn how to make clothes that fit me personally. And I did it. And I started sewing for other people. And it's just like a mindset. Like in the back of your mind, you could be thinking, oh, I can't do such and such. But it's like, did I put those, you know, at least that one step forward to see if I could do it, to see if I can accomplish. I may love it. You know what I'm saying? So anything's possible. Do you. If you're thinking about taking that job interview, if you're thinking about changing your job career, do it. Like, do what you think is going to make you happy at the end of the day. Like, that's all that matters. So that is today's affirmation. We're going to get into this unboxing videos. Like I told you guys, I'm so excited. I've been waiting for a whole week for this box to deliver on my doorstep. Like, I've been checking the tracking number. I've been like, what's up with this package? Like, it came from New York because I didn't go to the actual NARS or Sephora to pick it up. I ordered it online through their site. So it came from New York and then it took a week to get to me. So I was just like, when is it gonna get here? So we finally have it. We have the box. We're gonna open it up. Who needs that? More paper. Who needs that? Oh, this is a gift. Okay. I'm just like, who cares? This is a cute gift. Thank you, NARS. This is a little NARS pouch. If you know me, I love little pouches like this, girl. You can keep your feminine products in here. You can keep your lashes. So I have a whole drawer of these type of bags, and I literally just get it and go. Get it and go. It's already packed, sis. But let me see what they put in here in my bag. Ooh. Okay. So they put in my bag the NARS Climax Extreme Mascara. Okay. So I guess I'm guessing it's only right that we try the NARS mascara over the Marc Jacobs that I originally had out. Like, okay. So they sent me two of them. One actually was, okay, so this is the Instant and this is the Dramatic. I obviously would want to do Dramatic over the Instant. Instant is like a normal day type of mascara, but the Dramatic, volume, honey, volume. So let's see what we really came here for. My receipt. I'm just playing, y'all. So I will let you guys know how much I spent. Ooh, damn, I spent that much? So I spent $49, might as well say 50, for the Moorea foundation. And then I spent $38 for, I don't even remember what else I got, y'all. Okay, let's just open it up because it doesn't say what else I bought. But you know, when I support, I support. Okay, so this is the foundation. And this is, wow, I bought, I gotta stop. I need to be stopped, y'all. Like, I seriously have to be stopped, y'all. I love the package. It feels so good. I love this. This is the matte bronzing powder. Y'all don't laugh at me. I don't know. I don't even remember ordering this. I seen the model and I was like, I want it. Oh, this is fancy. Ooh, I love the bronze color on this. I love the way the packaging feels. So this is the bronzer. It has a mirror. I love anything with a mirror, y'all. You already know. And this is the foundation. And that's crazy because I have this foundation in my soft radiant NARS foundation. And when I went to the store, the lady was like, oh no, you're this color, which is the shade lighter. And I was like, okay, but I guess I'm not. So I'm gonna actually just mix these two foundations. That's probably what I'm gonna do. It depends on how it looks today. If I feel like this one is a little too dark, then obviously I'm gonna be mixing the foundation to get my perfect shade. So this is the bottle. I love the glass bottle, y'all. It's just giving class. So the bronzer I purchased was $38 and the foundation was $49. Just FYI if you wanted to know. Okay, so y'all already know I'm gonna get rid of the Helga G Pataki once I do my foundation and everything like that. So we're gonna go in with the NARS foundation. I'm gonna put some on my hand. So far, so good. I'm really loving this foundation. Actually, I don't even think I need to mix this with the other one because it's just giving me skin. Like it's matching my shoulders. It's matching like right here on my neck. Y'all know I'm two-toned, so I feel like once I add in my concealer, that's gonna highlight everything that I need to have highlighted. So at this point, I think this is perfect. I should just went with this from the beginning. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing with me. Like I said before, I always enjoy these type of videos with you guys. I enjoy showing my growth with you guys. Like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Until next time, treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.